Let's bring in Herb Greenberg, our old pal, is with us, too, to get some of his perspective. Herb, I thought of you immediately. You know, you're someone who sells research to short sellers, right? This is your game. This is your world.
Well,
what in the world is going through your mind as you're watching this, Herb?
Well, what's going through my mind is how irrelevant I feel, and how every day I just don't want to get out of bed, and how it's the least amount of fun I think I've ever had. And I'm very serious about that. But I also know that this is creating somewhat of a great opportunity for specific types of stock picking type shorts at some point in time. It may be in this earnings season where it starts. It may be at some other point in time. But I can tell you the type of names we deal in, and we're very quiet, as you know, the type of names we deal in tend to be larger, boring companies, the type that don't make headlines. And even with that, the disconnect with reality for most of those names is unbelievable. You look at it and your jaw's on the ground. You say, it doesn't make sense. Nobody's doing any work. And it's driven by levels of fundamentals that levels of speculation. In fact, Pete said traders. No, Pete, I'd say speculators. I'd actually go beyond speculators. I'd say gamblers. I'd say it's a group of people that you have so much in this market. You have the passive investors on one side, right? So that's a part of this, the algorithms. On the other side, you have the retail investors that are sort of having their heyday. And the rest of this is just, in a sense, you look at it and you say it's like making a mockery of the market. And yes, we've seen this before, but I don't think we've seen this before. We've seen craziness, but this is at a level that makes whatever we saw before look like kid stuff.